Hello, good evening. Late in day today, I thought let me alter the timings. Sometimes this is a good time, no? Please join in. This is Archana saying hello to you. My brand name is Maitri. भी बात मैंने सोचा टाइम को थोड़ा सा alter करते हैं because most of us have become early dinner type. So this is also a time जो आप थोड़ा सा free हो जाते हैं तो आराम से देख सकते हैं. So I chose this time. Waiting for somebody to join. I can see somebody. Just write hello to me. Hi Jagriti, hello. Jagriti, you're so punctual. You're always there on my live, and for that I can't thank you enough. Thank you so very much. Hi, hi Anju. Hi Sarika. So today I thought थोड़ा सा टाइम को चेंज करके देखा जाए क्योंकि इस समय भी हम डिनर को वाइंड अप कर चुके होते हैं. सो वी आर रेडी थोड़ा सा कुछ डिफरेंट करने के लिए, मूड चेंज करने के लिए शॉपिंग हो जाए टाइप्स. एंड टुडे आई वाज गोइंग टू शोकेस अ वेरी एक्सक्लूसिव कलेक्शन ऑफ आवर्स लिनन जामदानी. सो आई थॉट आज इस टाइम पे किया जाए. जस्ट वेटिंग, वी आर पासिंग ऑन द लिंक्स. हाय मधु, हाउ आर यू? सो लॉन्ग टाइम मधु. लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए प्लीज. हाय सिमृता. Pretty late but I'm so glad आप लोग ज्वाइन करें. I hope the audio video is clear. Just let me know. My number is flashing in the background 9319677133. For people who are joining for the first time, आपको इस नंबर पे WhatsApp पे bookings भेजनी है. Bookings के लिए product code and a very clear screenshot. Hi Shweta ji. Hi Simrita. Hi Nandini. How many days Nandini you've forgotten me? My virtual friend is actually forgotten me. So आपको इस नंबर पे अपनी bookings भेजनी है and then all online payment modes are acceptable. Payments have to be done before any kind of payment. Even COD we are honoring and live bookings are on. थोड़े से pieces हैं और बहुत exclusive pieces हैं. You can see if you like the look which I am carrying. So this is what I'm going to showcase. Today is linen jamdani. Linen you all know, completely organic. It is derived from a plant called flax. उससे इसको derive किया जाता है और पूरा international fashion scene जो है अभी it is predominated by linen. And we should be very lucky that in our country this is affordable. If you go to other countries, simple linen top, simple linen dress you cannot afford. So linen एक ऐसा fabric है, we know it is very skin friendly, completely organic और हमारे country के weather के लिए it's a boon. It is so breathable, much more breathable than cotton. इसकी ventilation is very much और ये बहुत soaking होता है और elegance. So you can see, with the linen thing, you can just walk into a formal place. You can go for your formal meetings. You can even go for parties. You can wear it in your workplace. So ये किसी भी look को एक बहुत timeless elegance से transport करता है. Let me just talk to you all. What happened? I didn't read complicated surgery. My God, I'll have to go back again. Hi Karishma, such a pretty color. Thank you so much. Anuchi, thank you for joining. Harveen Kaur, ma'am, after very long, ma'am. I think I missed Nandini's comment. Nandini, I'll have to go again and then I'll connect with you after the live because I'm a little shaken by what I read in the last line. Hi Divya. So a lot of people have already joined. Hi Akanksha. A lot of people have already joined. So I was giving you the basic introduction of linen or jamdani. हम सबको मालूम है. It is a beautiful weave. It comes from Dhaka, but now we know it is so beautifully carried out in Bengal. Bengal jamdani जो है वो बहुत famous है और बहुत weavers जो है लिनन के ऊपर जब जामदानी को वीव करते हैं हाथ से और ये पैटर्न्स बनाते हैं, इट्स लाइक वीविंग मैजिक ऑन क्लॉथ. हाय दिशा. हाय नवज्योति. नवज्योति, यू बीन मिसिंग. आज मुझे वो लोग दिख रहे हैं जो मेरे लाइफ से मिसिंग हो गए थे एंड आई always thought they were my friends, but I think life gets busy. Hi Meenakshi, how are you? So this is like on and off process, but I'm glad you all have joined today. Maybe this time is good. If it suits you, let me know. I was very jittery कि इस time को select करूँ या नहीं करूँ because we are early dinner type, but we are also early bedtime types. So I really don't know. Hi Anju. I said hello to you and Sarika before. Hi Shalini ji. Hi Rashmi ji. चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं. So this is our Jamdani presentation to you on linen. As I was saying, Jamdani weaving is a beautiful art of weaving, but again ये भी बहुत labor intensive and painstaking होती है. और if you are, you know, you frequent visitors of premium exhibitions, so you will see इसी फैब्रिक को यूज करके और इसी वीव को यूज करके, जामदानी वीव को यूज करके designers are making some dresses and they're making some one piece dresses and tops, and they're charging anything. And we know when it is converted into a suit, it is again like transportation of timeless elegance. So this is our two-piece linen Jamdani suits, and I have paired this with shocking color palazzo, but you can use any color from the booties, or best is to pair it with white or off white. You can never go wrong. So what I want to tell you, आप इसको कोई भी लुक दे सकते हैं. शर्ट पे ऑफ कोर्स लाइनिंग जाएगी, मैंने स्लीव्स पे भी लाइनिंग दी है टू गिव इट अ स्ट्रेंथ, अदरवाइज इट्स ऑप्शनल. होम वॉश है, बट आई वुड स्टिल सजेस्ट फर्स्ट वॉश को अगर आप ड्राई वॉश करा ले उसके बाद होम वॉश करें. होम वॉश का मतलब is absolutely bucket wash, a very gentle bucket wash, and drying it in was hospitalized, had my finger dislocated and fractured. Oh my god, Nandini, what did you do, my girl? I'll talk to you later, baba re baba. So we'll that's not good to hear at all. So that's what life is, you know. It's so unpredictable. Abhi I'm standing here and you really don't know. So let's live it. Let's make every moment count. And I will connect with my friend, my virtual friend Nandini after the thing. So you can see this. इसके ऊपर इतना beautiful जामदानी weaving किया हुआ है. Have a closer look, right? Finished in beautiful tassel. These tassels are much different than the tassels we do on our Ajrak modal. So every art form from different states, they have their own beauty and they have their own elegance. So these are our rendition to you for today. So let's begin. आज के सूट्स का कॉस्ट रहेगा 39.50 and 100 rupees is the shipping, and you are free to compare. You will still find my prices pretty what should I say? You add a word there. I don't want to add. So 39.50 for these two-piece linen Jamdani suits. Right, and 100 rupees is the shipping. Shipping you always honor. You all are very sweet. Sonia ma'am, those tassels really highlight the suit. Yes, Sonia ma'am, just see, so beautifully done. Very beautiful. And for all these things, you have to, pay extra, and you have to motivate the artisans. Please do this. Otherwise, they say even without these or fringe tassel also, it looks nice. I think I've done a lot of talking. Let's get on with the showcasing now. The suit, first suit for you, पूरा 2.5 मीटर का टॉप रहेगा. ब्यूटीफुल मजेंटा, बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी का लिनन है. 120 काउंट का लिनन है. इसके ऊपर पूरे पे ये वीविंग है ऑल ओवर. ब्लैक एंड ब्लू की वीविंग है. आई थिंक आई शुड टेक माय दुपट्टा off for the ease of showcasing. It's a very beautiful first color with blue color selvages all over, right? और 2.5 मीटर से भी ज्यादा का ही कपड़ा होगा. बिल्कुल every shape, every size you can, do justice to. Very beautiful dupatta with all over flower का vines. पूरे flower की इसको वहां पर बंगाल में लता डिजाइन कहा जाता है. It's like, flower की जो vines है, they are running all around, and these are the beautiful tassels, right? I'll have to go a little fast. और जो इसकी flowers का color है वो blue and orange है. It's really standing out. It's a very beautiful piece. Do appreciate the artisans, because all your comments go to them, right? Buying every time not possible, but must add one linen Jamdani to your collection. Where you buy from is absolutely your choice, but this is for summers and for your elegance of your wardrobe. This is a must piece. So this was first piece number. Piece number 2, beautiful Firozi. Look at the booties, very small side like gems. All over these gems are scattered in maroon and green color with a maroonish selvage. Just see. इसके नीचे जब एक अच्छा सा कॉटन का लाइनिंग लगेगा, ये बहुत स्मार्ट सूट बन के रेडी होंगे, बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट और इतने वेदर फ्रेंडली, इतने एयरी. लुक एट दिस, ऑल ओवर flower ka vines running. This is pink and brown, not even brown, mulberry kind with a complete selvage. और इसके tassels are also very beautiful. I'll give you a look. Please take a clear screenshot and note down the number also. This is suit number 2. Just see dupatta ke edges. See the tassels, pink and red. Very, very beautiful. Hi Rita ji. Hi Chandrakala ma'am. How are you? So long time. Suit number 3. Very beautiful rustish orange. इस ऑरेंज में इसकी वीव में एक हिंट ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर, मुझे इसकी वीव में एक पिंक थ्रेड भी नजर आ रहा है. आई होप यू कैन सी दैट ऑन कैमरा. एंड देयर इज अ वीविंग ऑफ ब्लू, bubblegum pink and black small coin kind of a thing. I would rather call them gems. Coin से तो बहुत छोटा है, gems के जैसा लग रहा है. And this is the dupatta. It's a nice quality linen. This you will appreciate only when you order and they come to you. It's a very good quality linen. We must appreciate so much of artwork, so many art forms. Those are prevalent in our country. पूरे पे pink, green and blue color के flowers और उनकी vines है. This color kind of does magic to everybody. I think this is my favorite color, right? So it's very beautiful. For the white lovers, today only one ma'am was asking, do you have white jamdani? So this is for you. With white, you can never go wrong. Divya Jyoti ji, Sangeeta ji, Rashmi ji, very beautiful. Yeah, ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, really very beautiful suits. Bubblegum pink selvage, booties in pink and green and dark green color. And dupatta, you will see it is equally elegant. And I don't know, I feel like owning up each and every piece. Not possible though. Just see light pink and dark pink flowers, and these are the vines running. पूरे पे छोटे छोटे booties हैं. These are the edges and these are the beautiful tassels. Baby pink and magenta pink. Pricing is 39.50. Pure linen jamdani, 100 rupees is shipping. My God, it is really very gorgeous. Right, next one, another orange, Fanta orange. Many people love this color, Fanta orange. Like me, they are fond of rust and orange. This is different from the one I showed. This is a little shocky orange and a very, very beautiful one with pink. Iske booty ka size bhi thoda bada hai, if you can see, right? So, with the orange selvage running, very beautiful selvage again. And that's the dupatta. I hope I'm giving you time to take a nice click. With beautiful red and black tassels. These are the borders or the edges, and these are the color of flower and vine. Bubblegum pink का flower और blackish color में पूरे leaf और ये vines running. I'll give you a look. 39.50 pure linen jamdani. I hope you like this. I love it. Next one, sage green or pista green. Color you decide. This is now a different type. Now there will be a pattern on the neck and dupatta will be little different. 2.5 मीटर का शर्ट है. ये देखिए, शर्ट के ऊपर नेक का पूरा पैटर्न बना है tulips का. These are tulip flowers. Very, very beautiful. Just see pink and blue. This is the color of selvage. Not exactly black, greenish black. And the rear side also has these little booties all over. So you'll have to design it like this. This is your pattern of the shirt, and this is the रॉयल दुपट्टा. इसमें वाइन नहीं है, इसमें पूरे में ट्यूलिप्स बने हुए हैं. मतलब इसमें रन नहीं कर रही, पूरे में ट्यूलिप का वीविंग है. वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अगेन. दीज आर दी टैसल्स, पिंक एंड ग्रीन. बहुत एलिगेंट पीस है. I'm telling you, kindly add one piece to your wardrobe this summer. You know, so much of linen, and as I just told you, it is only in our country that linen fabric is so affordable. It's very, very affordable. The way prices go, you really feel I'm not going to dish out so much of money just to own a top or a little one piece dress. This is like really elegant, right? The next one, very, very beautiful cola brown. This is also the tulip pattern. इसका भी neck पे देखिए कितना vibrant है ये. I mean, another thing is whether you take dark color or light color, they're doing complete justice to the weather because look at the make. कितना fabric, कितना airy है ये. Linen is so airy and there's a wonderful fall to the whole thing. It's wonderful fall makes it, you know, so affable. इतना मजा आ रहा है इसको पहनने में. You know, I feel like going for a drive at this time. I don't know who all will be there, but I feel like now that I'm dressed. So this is cola brown with bubblegum pink, red tulips and green में भी देखिए कितना सुंदर weaving की गई है. And this is the royal combination of dupatta, vermilion red, green, tulip का combination देखिए. COD, yes sir, Trupti ma'am, COD we are giving 100 rupees extra, as I tell you every time, is the charge by our courier company. So it will be 39.50 plus 100 plus 100 for you, right? For anybody who wants COD, but we are open to it. Just see this, my God, it is so gorgeous. Who are these people who work so hard on looms? ये पूरा looms पे बनाया जाता है. Hope you know that. और एक सूट को ready होने में 2 to 3 days लगते हैं. So I don't know. I have no words for the artisan. The next color is exactly like what I am wearing. Sky blue, or what do you call this? It's a tad bit different, but a very beautiful blue. It is much more beautiful than what it is looking in camera today. That is the, you know, limitation of lighting. Very beautiful magenta and blue tulips. बहुत बहुत beautiful. Hi Urmila ji. Hi Neha ma'am. I keep going, you know, back and forth, so I miss few names, and when I'm near, I try to read the names. I hope you all know that. पीछे में भी पूरे में ये gems वाले weaving की हुई है. Look at the dupatta. It is something like what I'm wearing. Only thing is, I had to get my neck designed. You have this ready neck. Beautiful, beautiful dupatta with pink and black tassels and these tulips which are so beautifully scattered all over. So this is the next suit, sky blue. The numbering is 8, number 8. Take a closer look. You can take the dupatta like this also. That will do complete justice to the design, right? How beautiful. The next one, another very pretty blue. बहुत खूबसूरत blue color है ये. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Electric blue, Prussian blue, क्या बोलेंगे? I think Prussian blue is the name for this color. इस blue में, if you see, there is a one thread black का भी use किया है. So that is the kind of reflection you are getting. Very beautiful. How many of you have liked and shared? One day I'm going to just, you know, declare a सरप्राइज गिफ्ट, और किसी को नहीं मिलेगा मुझे लगता है. किसी कहीं पे तो शेयर कर दीजिए. हाउ व्हाट डज इट टेक टू शेयर समबडीज लाइफ? You all have your family groups, you all have your friends group, most of you have your work groups. तो कहीं पे भी शेयर कर दीजिए. I'll be so thankful and I will honor. Don't feel that ये कोई सरप्राइज गिफ्ट तो होता नहीं है. So let me get that robustness and gifts will come your way because happiness has to be shared. भावना जी हेलो. ये देखिए कितना सुंदर मैजेंटा और बेबी पिंक के ट्यूलिप्स हैं. रेड कलर की सेल्वेज है. लुक एट द दुपट्टा. बहुत प्यारा दुपट्टा है इसका. Each and every suit is like a masterpiece. So whichever comes your way is like, you know, timeless and yet very muted elegance. मतलब आपको कुछ बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा. ये खुद से बात करेगी फैब्रिक. आप जहां भी जाएंगे, people will ask, where did you get this, you are looking so good, and you're going to feel comfortable because this is so skin friendly, and the ventilation of this cloth is much better than even cotton, right? Another magenta, this is not really magenta, इसमें इस पिंक में एक, just see the touch, एक ऑरेंजिश थ्रेड या रेडिश थ्रेड मुझे नजर आ रहा है. जस्ट सी, कैन यू सी इट ऑन कैमरा? You know, when I move it, there is a reflection of red also. So there is this pink and red combination with the tulips. The Urmila ji, the price for these is 39.50, 2-piece linen, and 100 rupees as usual is our shipping charges. Ritika ma'am, pure linen, this is 120 count linen. इससे better linen आपको मार्केट में बिल्कुल नहीं मिल सकता. दिस इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी लिनन वी आर गेटिंग टू यू. दैट्स अ मेजर थिंग एक्चुअली, क्योंकि लिनन की भी इतनी सारी क्वालिटीज आ रही है. अब तो पावर लूम का लिनन भी आ गया है. सो वी रियली डोंट नो, यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट अस. ये सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी का 120 काउंट्स का लिनन है, और इसकी जो जामदानी की वीविंग है वो भी बहुत सफाई से की गई है बाय आवर मास्टर आर्टिजन्स. जस्ट सी दिस, लुक एट द ट्यूलिप्स, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत. इसके साथ आप ग्रीन, रामा ग्रीन कलर, इवन येलो, और अगर आप मजेंटा पहनेंगे तो बहुत ही टोन टू टोन. एंड इफ यू वांट टू डल द लुक एट टाइम्स, wear it with a white or a off white. So these were our pieces which we chose for you. These are all for 39.50. Now we have two more pieces which are blended fabrics. Pure means, blended means, I'll show you what they are also for 39.50. एक तो one is this is प्योर मसलिन ढाकाई जामदानी. ये ढाका से बन के आया है पीस. प्योर मसलिन का पीस है. जैसे हमारा ऑर्गेन्जा नजर आता है, ये मसलिन का प्योर है. इसमें जो थ्रेड होता है वो एक सिल्क और एक कॉटन का होता है. आई होप यू कैन सी. प्राइस फॉर दिस इज ऑल्सो, आई जस्ट डबल the fabric so that you can see the color. Price for this is also 39.50 and 100 rupees is the shipping. ये प्योर ढाकाई का पीस है. How do I show you the color? डबल करने में थोड़ा सा, it's a very beautiful pista color. Because it is against blue background ना, so आपको कलर का समझ नहीं आएगा. And look at the weaving. ऐसा पीस आपको मार्केट में नहीं मिलेगा. And for this price, look at the weaving. इसमें गोल्डन भी है, ये पिस्ता ग्रीन है, और एक ही पीस है मेरे पास. इसमें गोल्डन वीविंग भी की गई है. पूरा ये ढाकाई जामदानी की वीविंग है विद द मसलिन दुपट्टा. इसका वेट इतना कम होता है that if this, when this piece reaches you, आपको लगेगा पैकेट में कुछ भी नहीं है. It's like feather light. I'm sure people who wear pure उनको पता है. So this is not linen, this is your pure muslin, and all those ladies who wear pure, they know about this. This is also for 39.50. Another one is cotton linen. वो भी बहुत पतला कॉटन है. दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज गोइंग टू टेल यू कि आपको इसके बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज आप बोलोगे ये क्या भेज दिया. सो प्लीज बी वेरी श्योर, इट इज वेरी थिन कॉटन. दिस इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ढाका कॉटन लिनन. ये दिस इज द सिंगल लेयर. दो यू डू नॉट रिक्वायर लाइनिंग, जस्ट सी, यू डू नॉट रिक्वायर लाइनिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज, जो वो पहले बोलते थे ना कि आप रिंग में से निकाल लो, ये उस तरह का कपड़ा है. बट प्लीज बी श्योर व्हाट यू सी. Okay, and listen to the description. Otherwise आप बोलेंगे ये लिनन नहीं है. ये कॉटन लिनन प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म में है. एंड दिस इज द वीव. पूरे पे बूटीज है, और ये नीचे में ऐसे बूटा दिया गया है. आई डोंट नो इसको नीचे ही माने या इसको ऐसे करें. आई थिंक ऐसे भी करके देख सकते हैं. ये देन पीछे आ जाएगा, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो 39.50. दिस इज द प्योरेस्ट पीस. इट इज एक्चुअली, I asked for this piece for, actually for myself, and I thought I'll get it stitched. But then पहले मैंने सोचा कि एक बार आपका response देख लेते हैं, then I will order this in bulk, because so many times we do not even understand the fabric and we just say कि ये क्या भेज दिया. तो ये उस तरह का पीस है. ये भी 39.50 का है. प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कॉटन. दिस इज नियॉन कलर. एक ही पीस है मेरे पास, राइट? These are the things, and these are the lovely tassels. Okay, and this is the look. आप देख रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है ये. इसके दुपट्टा भी आप देख सकते हैं. You cannot possibly see the color of suit that I'm wearing. So this is that thing. Now we have two exclusive pieces for you, and these two pieces will be priced at 41.50 and 100 rupees will be the shipping. So first is this beautiful linen, and the weaving is all done with zari. ये proper linen का piece है. ये देखिए इसकी selvages. This is more than a selvage. This is like a border. जैसे मैंने यूज किया है, आप इन बॉर्डर्स को पूरे में यूज कर सकते हैं. और इसमें पूरा गोल्डन वीविंग है, जरी वीविंग, गोल्डन कलर, सिल्वर कलर, कॉपर कलर. आई होप आप इसे देख पा रहे हैं ध्यान से. ये मेरे पास एक ही पीस है नेवी ब्लू कलर में, और इसके जो बॉर्डर्स हैं, जस्ट सी द काइंड्स आई हैव. copperish with a very beautiful highlighting of pink, और इसका जो rear side है उसमें भी पूरे में ये छोटे छोटे coins बने हैं. Hi Divya ma'am, how are you? Golden and silver. So this is one of its kind, 41.50, and have a look at the gorgeous दुपट्टा. पहले आप ऐसा ही देख लीजिए, फिर मैं लुक देती हूँ. बहुत खूबसूरत दुपट्टा है, बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत. पूरे में ये रन कर रहा है. And this is a linen piece. Now I'll give you the look. ये मेरे पास multiples में नहीं है. And I don't think अगर आप इसको reorder भी करेंगे तो मैं इसको procure इतनी जल्दी कर पाऊंगी. These are all hand done arts which are done on looms. So looms, you know, those big time designers, they hire those looms और फिर वो उन्हीं के लिए reserve हो जाते हैं. Look at the tassels. कितना इलेक्ट्रिक ब्लू कलर यूज किया है. And this is look of the entire suit. Who says that you cannot wear it for a even for a one of the wedding functions or something like that? It is so gorgeous. 41.50 and 100 rupees shipping pan India for COD. 100 rupees extra. I know Divya ma'am, late, but you can too late for me. Yeah, Divya ma'am, very very late for me. I'm an early sleeper. I just thought altering the time for my friends. You know, कभी कभी सबका देखना चाहिए. People who are waking up till late, उनके लिए भी. This is our next piece, tissue jamdani in linen. Another very exclusive piece. I have only 2 minutes. और इसमें ध्यान से देखिएगा, ये शर्ट पीस है, ये पूरी जामदानी की वीविंग है, और ये टैसल्स जो है ये आगे के साइड में आएंगे, राइट. और पीछे में ये पूरा टिश्यू है. जब आप इसमें लाइनिंग लगाएंगे सिंपल कॉटन की भी, यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अ पीस व्हिच डिजाइनर्स सेल फॉर कप, यू नो, मल्टीपल थाउजेंड्स. और आप इसको पहन के किसी वेडिंग फंक्शन कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं. और ये है इसका gorgeous dupatta. I have no words. I'm run out of all my adjectives. I don't have multiple in this. ये बहुत बहुत elegant piece है. This is our last piece for today. This is tissue jamdani on linen. So आप देखिए कितना इस पे काम हुआ है. लिनन के कपड़े के साथ टिश्यू की वीविंग की गई, और उसके ऊपर कौन सी वीविंग है? ये जामदानी की वीविंग, and finished in such beautiful tassels. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed watching whatever I've showcased today. So I've showcased 2-piece linen suits. They were all for 39.50. 2 सूट मैंने दिखाए. एक मसलिन ढाकाई था, that was also 39.50. One is cotton linen, 39.50. And these 2 last pieces, navy blue and black, one was with zari weaving, one is with tissue jamdani weaving for 41.50. Thank you so very much. इस टाइम पर भी मुझे ऑनर करने के लिए. स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे हैप्पी, एंड मेरे को अपने पर्सनल कमेंट्स भेजते रहिए. दैट मेक्स मी वेरी हैप्पी, एंड दैट इज ओनली मेकिंग अस अ community of like-minded women. Like, I'm very concerned about what happened to Nandini. That's how we, you know, get connected. That bonding is very very important. I'll get in touch with my friend on the other side, and you all look after yourself. Good night, take care, and I love you. Bye bye.